KZ has announced their brand new earphone for this winter period. Now they are calling this model the ZAT. It's gonna come with 8 balanced armature drivers and one dynamic driver. The dynamic driver is 8 mm in size. It's not the biggest dynamic driver that you can get your hands on, at least in an earphone like this. But then again, one thing the company claims is that they want the set to be more or less suited for people that want neutral tuning. They don't want a lot of bass presence and all that. But then they also give you multiple switches. They give you 4 switches at the back, so it will allow you to adjust the tuning to your preference. That one thing I wouldn't praise KZ for is that they don't really do very well at working at the audio performance of their products. Over the last few years, they've become a bit stagnant with what they release. They just release bunch of earphones over and over again and rebrand them. So I don't know whether this set will break that mold and be better. But then again, this is crazy. They're using almost the same driver that they've used in their previous model in this same in this same ZAT, literally. You can set the audio to your tuning because of the switches that it comes with. At least that option makes it easy for you to get the best out of it. I'm not a fan of switches. I've never been a fan of switches on any earphone because of the fact that I believe if an earphone is tuned well to a target audience, people will love it for what it is. People won't just run out to buy an earphone simply because it has multiple tuning switches and all that. People just don't like it because they believe that tuning switches will mess with the original sound that the company was aiming for. That's something that they believe in general, and even myself, I believe that. I just believe tune your earphone well, and people will fall in love with your product in general. So look, it's available right now. It's not even that expensive. It's not even that expensive. I think it's within a price range that works well, and the cable isn't too bad. The impedance on it is 11 ohms. It does have a sensitivity of 111 decibels. Frequency response is 20 hertz to 40 kilohertz. It does have a 3.5 mm connector. The cable is silver plated. In design, it's not the best cable, but then again, there is nothing that is even perfect these days. I'm going to drop details for you guys down below where you can get your hands on. If you're interested in it, do subscribe to the channel, do like our content, follow us on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.